Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Ellie Brown from Uptown with Ellie Brown, and I am so excited to have you here today. I am sure by the look of my hair, you already know what's coming. I am sharing how I get my hair to look like this. I don't know what the name of this hairstyle is. I want to call it like Tori Kelly inspired curls. I don't know. Comment below what you would call this hairstyle. All I know is that I've been getting my hair braided just for my hair to look like this, and finally I took it upon myself to search the internet, and I'm like, how can I get my hair to look like this? And I found the Revlon deep curler wand. I guess it's really like a 3-barrel deep curler, whatever it's called. I'm gonna link it below. But this stuff is, or this tool is absolutely amazing. I love how my hair looks. It's fun, it's playful, it's tons of volume. I am really obsessed with this look. It's a fun hairstyle. It's super easy. Because the barrel is wide, it's hard to get used to the first or second time curling your hair like this, but as you curl it and the more you get a hang of it, the easier it is. It's really just getting used to the tool and setting the curls and the bend and matching it perfectly so it's consistent and not like, you know, uneven. I would highly recommend using a dry shampoo or a texture spray that does both. I was using the Kerastase VIP Volume in powder. I normally use my Navy hair care texture spray that I'll also link below. But this one was a good one. It didn't give, it says it has a strong hold. It doesn't feel like it's super gritty the way most hair texture sprays leave my hair. This look for my hair has held 3-4 days when I've done it before. Because it does fall flat a little bit, you may have to go back in and curl a few pieces here or there. But other than that, again, love this look. I'm having a whole lot of fun with this look and this hairstyle, and y'all know the drill. Here's the tutorial. Okay guys, I've deep curled most of my hair. I'm leaving the very top because I wanted to kind of talk briefly and go over what I'm doing. So I'm doing my hair in sections, and I am spraying it with the Kerastase VIP Volume in powder. My recommendation as well, go a little bit too much here, is get it as close as you can to the root. That will help with giving it more volume and also making the curls look a little bit more natural. Pay attention to how your hair is in the curler, so you're kind of following the curl along with the pattern on your hair. So like if you curl your hair here, come all the way down here. Like don't do it here, move down here. Like, does that make sense? So like if you curl it up here, then come back all the way down to where you finished, and so on. I'll show you here. So I've got 1, 2, 3, right? I'm holding it for about 10-15 seconds. And then instead of coming right here, I'm gonna come all the way down and then kind of relax the hold on top just to kind of with the heat and kind of just set that curl. So again, instead of curling it over here where the bend was upward, and then you can leave about an inch or so off. You can kind of play around with it. Some of them, if it's too far out, you can curl a little bit. It doesn't have to be perfect. The curl in itself is not perfect. So you can leave some of the ends out. You can curl some of them in just to kind of, again, create more of a natural look. So again, I'm getting as close to the root as I possibly can. It looks like I'm touching my hair or my head, and I am not. I'm just extremely close. I can feel the heat. Be careful to not burn yourself. Don't go burning your scalp and then say I told you so, because that's not what I'm saying. And it does leave a little crease mark, but that's okay. Once you kind of shake out your hair, the way it looks like it's natural. So anyways, almost done. I think I've been doing this for probably about 20 or 30 minutes. So it doesn't take too long. It does get a little bit awkward because the barrel is so wide and you're not used to it, or at least I know I'm not, so it took some adjusting, but once you get the hang of it, it's so easy to do. Almost done! I love this hairstyle so much. I may wear my hair like this a lot more often than you think I will. Very last section. I actually am kind of liking the sprays. This is the first time I'm using this hairstyle spray, and I feel like it adds some grit to my hair, but it doesn't like leave it unmanageable, if that makes sense, like most texture sprays or dry shampoo sprays leave it. Like, I can still run my hand through my hair, which is nice. Alright guys, that is how I curl my hair. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Again, don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, comment below what you think this hairstyle is actually called, because I really don't know the exact name. I've got like 5 different names in my head that I could think about. Anyways, thanks again for stopping by. I hope you guys enjoyed. Have an absolutely great day. I'll see you guys here real soon. Bye.